Hey guys, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide 4. In today's video I am comparing two smartphones, Lenovo A6000 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G version. Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 4G version at a price tag of rupees 999, while the Lenovo launched the Lenovo A6000 at a price tag of rupees 6999. Both devices have 4G connectivity. Talking about the phone, Xiaomi Redmi Note has 5.5-inch IPS display with a resolution 1280 by 720 pixels, while the Lenovo A6000 has 5-inch IPS display which has a resolution 1280 by 720 pixels. Both the devices have same resolution, but there is a difference in key size. On the front of Redmi Note there is a 5 megapixel camera with a speaker and LED capacitive buttons, while on the Lenovo A6000 there is a 2 megapixel camera, speaker, Lenovo branding and capacitive button. They are not LED. Talking about in terms of screen, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G version is clearly the winner. On right hand side there is a power key and volume rocker button on both the devices. At the back panel, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, MI branding and speaker, while on the Lenovo A6000 there is a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, a mic, Lenovo branding and Dolby Twin speakers. Removing the back panel on Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G gives access to dual SIM and massive battery which has a capacity of 3100 mAh, while on the Lenovo there is a removing the back panel gives access to dual SIM and 2300 mAh battery. As I am unable to open the back panel right now due to a time limitation, I am not opening it again. Don't want to waste the time. On the left hand side there are no physical buttons on both the devices. At the top of the Lenovo A6000 there is a 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB slot for data transfer, while on the top of Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G there is a 3.5mm audio jack and a mic, while at the bottom of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G there is a micro USB slot and mic, while on the Lenovo A6000 there is a secondary mic. Clearly talking about the camera on paper, Xiaomi Redmi Note has clearly the edge when compared with Lenovo A6000. Lenovo A6000 runs on Android 4.4.4 KitKat with WiFi 2.0 on top of it, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G runs on Android 4.4.4 KitKat with Wi-Fi 5.0 on top of it. The Lenovo A6 is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. It is a 64-bit processor which clocks at 1.2 GHz, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note is powered by Qualcomm MSM 8928 Snapdragon 400 processor and it clocks at 1.6 GHz. It has Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G has 8GB inbuilt memory and 2GB RAM. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 64GB on Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G, while the Lenovo A6000 has 8GB inbuilt memory and the internal memory can be expanded further up to 32GB by using micro SD card. All the devices have nearly the same connectivity features which I am not talking about. The thing you need to know is that both devices have 4G connectivity and both the devices have dual SIM. So as of now, talking about nearly the camera, in terms of camera, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G is the winner. In terms of screen and display, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G is the winner. If in terms of software, both have the latest version of their software as they use different skin In terms of build quality, both the devices looks pretty good. In terms of battery, clearly the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G is the winner. In terms of memory, you can increase more memory in Xiaomi Redmi Note. But talking about the look and feel, both the devices looks pretty good. The back panel of Xiaomi Redmi Note has a glossy finish, while there is no glossy finish on Lenovo A6000. Considering the price segment too, the Lenovo A6000 is much cheaper when compared with Xiaomi Redmi Note. Pricing is only the issue as of now, so you have to decide which one is better. If you have no budget issue, then go for Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.